When asked about the report, Vogel said he hadn't heard anything from the team. "I haven't been told shit. I'm going to enjoy tonight's game. We'll deal with tomorrow," he said. During his first season at the helm, Vogel led the team to a 52-19 record and to the 2020 NBA Finals, where the Lakers defeated the Heat in 6 games. In his second season, the Lakers lost to the Suns in the first round of the playoffs and finished 42-30 during the regular season. The Lakers finished this season with a 33-49 record, sitting 11th in the Western Conference, and were eliminated from the playoffs on Tuesday night after their 7th consecutive loss. Photo: Garrett Ellwood, NBAE via Getty Images.